Oh, cut out spinner. Oh, look at the little slinky dog wagging his tail. Oh, this goes around in a circle, I think. It's cute though. Look at the roof. It's like the inside of the games board. Very cute. Our carriage awaits.
And legs in the vehicle at all times. Oh, and keep an eye on your little ones. They're adorable.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, this might look a little bit more. Oh my god, this car's really heavy.
What do you think so far then?
I mean,
I like the size of these carriages.
enormous. I think you can fit 4 people
Look.
in here maybe.
They got loads of leg room.
I think the little kids will like this tomorrow.
Yeah, oh look at number 7, it's baseball.
I must say the tower looks really good from here. I can't see it.
Tower. Show. It's slightly faster than we thought it was going to be actually.
So it's like a nice breeze.
Oh, lovely
It's
breeze.
best the best.
I'm back! Oh my god!
I'm sliding. Why am I sliding?
Come this way, just lean on me.
Oh, I'm gonna lose my ears. Oh, this is quite like.
I can actually sleep on here.
I mean.
Oh my god, it's picking up speed!
My ears.
It's actually quite quick! I'm actually quite impressed! So we were just coming off off of this Slinky Dog ride here, and as we were, we just found Rex, look! How awesome is that? Obviously got the monkeys up here, but Rex looks so cool. And you see if we come around here so you can get his face, look. Hey buddy! How good does the Studio One look? So look, Walt Disney Studios, all the lights. This looks awesome. So we're heading out of the Walt Disney Studios. We're going to go across to just Disneyland. And we're going to go and do... I've forgotten. Oh no, I haven't. Big Thunder Mountain. We're going to go to Big Thunder Mountain, which is an awesome ride. Obviously, and it's been shut pretty much all day so far. So we're going to go back across, ride that. I think I want to get like this Oogie Boogie popcorn holder because I really want some popcorn and I really want that holder for the games room when we get home. But yeah, so ooh, it's like fireworks going off. I don't know what that is. Is that a Star Wars thing? Spooky. But then I think it's just a show. But anyway, we're going to leaving here, going to a different park. Show you on our way. It just looks so awesome in here. Like, I love all the lights and the road. It looks awesome. They got the cars and the gas station stuff. It just looks awesome. We ate in here last time we sat over there. But yeah, the actual building itself is amazing. All the lights. And then the car's pretty cool, isn't it? But yeah, I do need to eat in the Brown Car Derby at some point. Apparently it's really nice in there. But yeah. I think we're going to wait for some people to go for a wee. Might go in this shop actually. Let's go do this shop. I just found this, like a chewing gum machine on the outside of one of the shops. You obviously put a cent in and get your chewing gum out. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it. This one here. It's got, look. It's got a Woody Woodpecker on it. How awesome is that? That's pretty cool. I keep seeing this. You create like a blaster, look. And I think it shoots like discs. That's pretty awesome. But yeah, we're just going to walk through the shop. They've got some bits and bobs. This is the magnetic thing. Oh, look at the rocket. Oh.
I mean, these are tiny baby sizes, but
they're cute.
how much are they?
Yeah, tell them the price.
There's actually not a price, it's been ripped off. I'll see if I can find
Oh. That rocket is awesome though. Look at his tail. Oh. Oh, I want to put one up there. Oh, how do you? Ah, second boy's butt. Yeah. Oh, they got one of them ones now as the pillow. They're pretty cool. Lotso, Stitch. I like this new kind of style they've got. It's like the teddies and they're sleeping. They're pretty cute. These teddies are. I'm really bad at not telling you prices, guys. These teddies are €36. It's not bad. They're quite big. The little ones. Charlotte's in here somewhere. We'll find her in a minute. She'll probably find something and run over to us. Star Wars stuff. The Star Wars stuff is awesome. Always is. It just looks awesome. That's pretty cool. Droid top. That's pretty awesome. Tops in here are pretty generic. Sort of €26. I've got to start saying dollars. Oh, God. Oh. 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 Look at that one. I love that. That's awesome. So the mugs are €20. That's not bad. Little Porg one. Teddies. That's cool. Yeah, they got some pretty cool stuff. Oh, I wish they did this kind of thing in adult size. I would 100% be a little like X-Wing pilot. That'd be so cool. Yo-yos. Are yo-yos still a thing? I wish they were. I'm sure it's cool to have yo-yos. Okay, so we're out of Walt Disney Studios. I found her in the end. She was in the Pandora section, obviously. I love that fountain. It's super cool. That's a wrap. Awesome. Okay, so exit over here. Let's go. So we left Walt Disney Studios and we're heading to the Disney park. Oh man, how good does the outside of the building look with those lights? I know I said it yesterday, but it really does. They just look awesome. Like, it's amazing. Anyway, we're gonna go in. We're gonna probably cry a little bit at how cute and beautiful the party and the actual castle looks and how amazing all the Halloween decorations look. But then after that, I'm gonna go and ride Thunder Mountain.
And we're back in Disneyland Park.
Yeah, we are, just like magic. Yeah, look, the lights are so cool in orange and green. Not that you can really tell what colour they are, but...
Okay, yeah, there's lampshades. So we're now going to ride Big Thunder Mountain because it's been shut all day today. We didn't get a chance to ride it, so we're going to ride it now in the dark, which we're really excited about.
Yeah, we are. That's where we're going.
Show them how pretty. I know, I think we probably showed them yesterday, but show them yet.
Oh guys, how beautiful is this? It just looks absolutely spectacular. The castle looks so cute in purple. And like, if this is Halloween, I can only imagine how amazing it is at Christmas. Right, anyone that's been at Christmas, let us know in the comments. Like, I really want to come back here at Christmas and see this place like proper, like decorated up to the nines. Like Christmassy stuff everywhere. I bet it looks amazing. So yeah, we're gonna go this way and then that way. We'll see you at Big Thunder Mountain. How cool does the park look at this time of night? Like, it's like
Beautiful. So beautiful.
Why are you being weird?
I don't know.
Oh no, the castle's gone. Oh yeah, the castle's back. Anyway, right, stop filming, Jez. We're gonna go to Thunder Mountain. Oh, it's purple, isn't it? So we've just done Thunder Mountain. Awesome.
Oh my god, I always love Big Thunder Mountain, but in the dark, we got right to the top of the mountain and all you could see was the whole park lit up. It was just amazing.
It was awesome. But you can see the lights behind us, one like multicoloured. We're walking through this like sort of cocoa section where the Thunder Mountain is. Look around us, it's awesome. The lights, yeah, it looks a little more purple, but it is purpley here, but look. So they've got the meal, the food in there. We've eaten there before, what's that called?
It's like Del
Something like that.
I don't know.
No. But yeah, these lights are awesome, and they've got like little Coco kind of Day of the Dead characters on them. Can't really see them. I'm gonna try and remember to show you during the day so you can actually see what characters are on them.
Yeah, tomorrow we've like done this park in bits. So tomorrow we're doing like each like section, and we're doing everything in that section before we move on to the next thing.
Yeah.
So you'll see it all. Well, you can't see us at the minute, but you'll see it all in tomorrow's vlog.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. But yeah, so we're heading over to Pirates of the Caribbean. But yeah, that's where we're heading. Oh, listen. Oh, wow. It's this way. Just walking through to Pirates of the Caribbean. How amazing does Colonel Haffy's look? It's proper cute. This is the kind of place I'd like to get married. Oh, and then I feel these lights. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh, we're gonna take a selfie. It'll be 2 seconds.
Davy Jones Locker. Behind the rope.
Go on in, we're on Treasure Isle or Treasure Island or whatever, and we're going down like Davy Jones Locker apparently down here. I don't know, we're going.
Davy Jones Locker. Buried treasure.
Oh. Go!
Which way?
This way! You can't really see anything, guys, but Charlotte keeps pooping herself every 10 seconds because there's a squeaky rat in here.
Rat?
Squeak! Well, there she is. She keeps being a jumpy little thing. We're out. How do we get out?
We'll come back and do that properly tomorrow.
Char, where are you going?
I'm getting out. Is that not the way
Is that
out?
not the way out?
Oh no. No, that isn't.
Well, go up this way, go. I don't know, we're just gonna follow this way. Up there, maybe? I don't know.
Guys.
Charlotte!
I don't want to go.
I think it's this way. I think Charlotte's just taking us the wrong way. I think
What do you mean? Is that way? Is that
the
way?
castle's this way though. Yeah, it's this way. Goodness. They never listen to me and I know where I'm going, you know, like... It's really difficult being right all the time and no one listens to you. It's just how it is in my family. So yeah, we are just getting some popcorn. We're just sat there now. The fireworks actually went to start here, really done behind us. But we're going to try and get off Main Street and out of Disney before it all kicks off. Fingers crossed. But anyway, we're going to get some popcorn and we'll show you the Oogie Boogie box is awesome.
Hello, can I get an Oogie Boogie popcorn bucket with sweet popcorn, please? Thank you.
That's not bad. $24.99 with popcorn, $23.99 without popcorn. There he is. Oh, he is awesome. Look at that. Super cool. Oh, that popcorn is incredible. So sweet. Anyway, we're heading out the park, so I'm not going to vlog much because it's mental and I've got to watch where I'm going. But there are so many people about. It's just like crowds. It's not so bad, not as bad as like Florida where like there's like a centimetre of room. You can still move. But I think we're going to go to the back of the arcade, we'll see. What do you think of the popcorn? It looks awesome. Show them the back. Hang on. Lots of people. Shall you kind of put it in his butt?
I love it.
It's good.
I feel Halloween extra.
It is very Halloween extra. And this is going to go in our games room, and I'm going to fill it with like little candies, like
You would need like a lot of M&Ms.
M&Ms, Reese's Pieces, something like. Oh, maybe Reese's Pieces and M&Ms. I know I'm holding it a bit like strange, but I'm not left-handed. No. Charlotte's still munching on her popcorn. It's nice, isn't it? Okay, so what a great backdrop.
The best.
So we're now walking back through the village. I think we're going to end the vlog now. I'm going to go for a drink with a couple of the other guys from our group. Charlotte's going to go back and get a shower.
And sleep.
And sleep. I'm only going to stay for 1 or 2. If there's anything cool in the bar or something like that, I may well whip out the phone and vlog it, but I really doubt there is. But, oh yeah.
If there is anything, I'll insert it after this clip.
Yeah, but apart from that, thank you for coming with us on another adventure. It's been an awesome day. We got popcorn, we rode Thunder Mountain, we rode some awesome rides. Crush's Coaster was amazing.
Bistro Chez Remy.
Bistro Chez Remy was great, the steak was awesome.
As always.
Breakfast this morning wasn't bad either actually, to be fair. That bacon was actually quite tasty.
We're going back there tomorrow morning.
So I'm gonna get some more bacon. But yes, it's been a great day. Thank you for coming with us. See you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
It's so pretty. So the Maleficent meet and greet is right in front of this like scary beanstalk thing. So pretty. I don't know if they've pumped that mist or if it's just misty.
Yeah, no, it's pumped. It's coming out there.
Oh yeah.
Down there.
So pretty.